Hello guys, welcome back to the another video here on my channel. Yeah, so basically guys, this is the first video for explaining the previous quarter of the year. So basically I'm gonna go with you like how things went during the first quarter of my trading journey, and then again I'll show you everything. So I'm not sure if I should do part one and part two, because I think this video will take long because there's a lot to unpack, guys. So I'm gonna show you everything that I did from January until March last month. So yeah, I know I'm little bit late on updating this video. So currently now I have the USD's trade that I'm still holding. I think I held the trade from Thursday. Is it Thursday or Friday? Yeah, I think from Thursday. And then I hold the trade during the weekend. Now it's about to hit TP, but then it's reversing along the way. I'm gonna show you everything for that. And I think again I love the video of me holding the GBP LD trade and then thinking of entering the AUD CAD trade. So I just did a screen record about that. So I'm gonna show you. I think maybe it's gonna pop in right now after this sleep. So after this sleep, I'm gonna play that video. I'm gonna play that video, and then from there we're gonna move on from the thing from January until now, how things are. I know things were difficult, but I don't wanna lie, things were a little bit difficult for me. The psychology and stuff. I think maybe I'm struggling with psychology, and yeah, guys, it's a lot. I'm thinking now of maybe not. I'm thinking of maybe doing things automatical, like getting the robot and stuff. But then I'm not sure, guys. Like that's what I've been thinking of lately. So yeah. So yeah, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the video. So yeah, let's go into the charts, and then let me show you how I was so how like what I was I doing during this past 3 months. Yeah. This is the use these trade. So this is what I've been looking at use these guys. So basically, let's just go to the daily. Let me just show you something. So from the daily ahead, I want to touch there on the upper, what do you call this, on the highest high, and I had 1, 2, 3 there. The market created a bigger version of the ascending channel, and then when you dive into H4 also had a small ascending channel there, which was the market broke out and then came back and gave me the what do you call this, the bearish flag, and then price just broke down there. Then yeah, so basically on this one I had two entries though on USDs. On this one I had two entries. So the first one was that if maybe the market can come back there and then can trigger me in and then go down, and then again this one was a sell stop, and then this on a sell stop I said when the market can break out, when the market breaks out of this bearish flag, can trigger me in. So yeah, so it basically did that, and again we can see it was an almost a head and shoulder structure there. So that's why my first entry was there, and then this one was my second entry there. So yeah, guys. So this is how things are now with USD's trade, the trade that I'm currently holding. So yeah, I'm gonna show you everything. So let's go to my Notion and then show you how things were. So yeah, guys. So this is my Notion. I'm not sure if you guys can see it clear there. My quality of the video is kind of weak, but So yeah. So yeah, guys. So this is January. Ne? So on January, this is how things went. On day 6, I took the loss. On the 6th of January, I took the loss. And then again, so basically this thing I did on Excel, and then I just copied everything and just pasted it here on my Notion account there. So yeah, and then this is the graph, how the graph looks like for January. So basically, you will see how things are. You see here on January, just pay attention there on January. On January, I have only one thing there. As you can see, I don't have another pages. Oh yeah, yeah, on January. Oh yeah. So basically, you will see how I just I modify my things once time goes by. So yeah, so this is ODJPY. This is how things went. You see. So yeah, I'm not sure should I explain everything or you're gonna read everything by your own. So yeah, guys. So now let's see. Uh, so Euro USD. I'm gonna show you there's something that I saw on Euro USD before everyone saw it. Sorry. Uh, and then entry I took a buy entry here on Euro USD as you can see. And then I think okay, so oh yeah, 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 I remember I said the buy limit and then until didn't buy the market didn't come back and trigger my int. So but then this is how things went after that, you see. So this was GBP Sunday market breakdown. Okay, you can just read there when you want to. Uh and the D did I show you did I show you this on the previous video though? I'm not sure, but then let's just go. Yeah. So you see on January, like I just mixed up everything, like the chart analysis, and in with my with my journaling. You see, so yeah, you will see everything. So I guess on January was nothing much that happened, but then there's only losses. You see, oh yeah, you see. So the top ones were were the trades that I taken, and then this is January chart analysis. So yeah, so this was January my chart analysis, as you can see, guys. So this is how I analyze the charts. And sometimes things don't go my way. Sometimes things go my way. You see. Um, guys, I really don't know what to say, guys. You know, like I wish I can say something, but then, or maybe I can say, see. I sometimes like you know what sometimes like I do analyze and then I'll in the long run in the long run price just reached my entry point. You see, just like this one just played out real nice. You see, because I said the market will give me on this one the market just said it's gonna give me a double top there, which is a 1 2 there, and then look at how it did there. This I think this was gonna be my int and inverse. I didn't show the structure, then the market will go down. You see, sometimes I do analyze, sometimes I take long to end. You see, guys. Mm-hmm. Then as you can see, so this was January though. So on January, remember that what is the thing? So January, overall January, so I had how many loans? Okay. So on January I had 3 wins and then 2 losses, no big even trades. So as you can see here, guys. So you see, so on January I had 1 2 3 wins and then 1 2 losses and then zero break even trades. So this is how I did for January, and then let's go to February. I think February that's where I try to change my things, how things are. So yeah, you see, first when you enter on February, you're gonna see the everything that I did for January, and then underneath you're gonna see the chart analysis and then trades taken. So yeah, so this is how I modified my things. So you're gonna see on April also there is something that I've added also. One page that I added, as you can see, it's 1 2, and then on April is 3. You're gonna see. So yeah, so on February, I took also three wins and also two losses. Yeah, okay, so let's go to chart analysis. So this was February chart analysis. You see, uh, here's the passive my sensitive area, and then he broke that channel became big and it does nice giving and the time to whereby is for me at the whole bottom supported with the descending stocks. So Euro USD, okay. So on Euro USD, Sunday when I did the market breakdown on the 2 February. So this is what happened. On Monday the market opened with the gap. So I'm like, ish, now I'm screwed, bro. Like most of the time I really don't know how to how to take the end with the market when the market opened with the gap. But then yeah, as you can see, 1, 2, 3 there. And then GBP USD. So on GBP USD, I tried to analyze this and then I saw these things here. I see, and then market opened there with a gap, didn't reach my entry. And then this was on Monday. I tried to modify my analysis, and then this is what I saw. USD, USHF. So USHF, I saw the 1, 2, 3. I was waiting for 1, 2, 3 on the upper trend line there, but then it didn't trigger my thing. But then it didn't give me the entry point where the market maybe says it will reject there or what. But then yeah. So this was GBP OD. Oh yeah, now I remember. Maybe you guys saw everything on this one here. Yeah, GBP out and stuff. So you guys saw everything. This part I think you guys I showed you. 1, 2, 3 there on UCHF, and then it's taken out. Okay, trade wasn't taken on this one. I didn't take the enter though. And then I saw what was the market was creating there. You see, then a huge top there. And then this is what's after. And then on February chart analysis, right? Okay, let me just close here and open here. Trade taken for February. And yeah, okay, so this was February. The trades that are taken on February. So this is how things went on February. You see. So basically, the reason why I love Notion is because sometimes when I take a screenshot on my phone, and then I can add them again on the Notion because I have both of them. I have the app and then I have the website on the one that I use on the laptop and the one that I use on the phone. So basically, whenever I can take a trade, wherever I am, so I can just add that screenshot there, and then that screenshot can be added on, or it can be added on my account, and then yeah, I can do everything from there. You see, so things becomes easier there. So on this trade, I said okay. So on this trade, I said okay. The on the market breaks out, it should trigger me in, which is there. You see, okay. I think on this one, my entry was far away. It does somewhere there and then end, and then my stop loss would be somewhere around there. It'd be up, but then yeah, I see. Okay. And then price triggered me in, and then I was taken out by the overnight spread. The overnight spread, but things that are killing me. But you see, price came back down there, and then after taking me out, it went down. GBP USD. I think on this one was the trade that I was more patient with, guys. I think I even showed you on the previous clip how patient I was with this trade. And then what I've learned on this trade, I've learned patience. So this was before, and then this was after. See, results. My head came up, and then K took me out on. I think maybe let's just call it. I logged in some profits. Yeah, I logged in some profits. So yeah. And then after it went to my direction to hit TP on trading view. Yeah, and then some other things, guys. So this was GBP only. On GBP only, oh yeah. So this was the trade that if maybe I could have held it now, ne? GBP only did me. It cooked me here, guys. GBP only cooked me, guys. Remember that trade that I've been showing you, that swing trade there. Go watch the previous video, you're gonna see. Yeah, and then look at the look 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 where the market is now on GBP already, bro. Damn, look, price would hit my TP there, but then again, let's see. So this is how this was AUD cat. When AUD cat things went against me. See, I had a 1 2 3 touch there, and then price just went down. But then on this one, guys, this one was just a confusing one. You see, AUD cat, guys, was the confusing pair on for me on February, because I had everything that shows me that the market could go up. You see, from the higher time frame, I had a larger double top there, and then I had I had the the big double bottom there from, I think, from weekly or daily time frame, and on H4 again I had a double top. Then again, price just was moving in, and then again on the second touch, on this touch, let me show you this touch. Price was moving in a correction way from this one, so which was a 1 2 there, which is a 1 and a 2 there, and then price went up, and then this can be a correction move for the price to go up. See, so this was what I was expecting on AUD cat, and again within the structure, within the build there, the bullish flag, we had a 1 2 there, which was an impulse correction, and then up. But then again, so this gave me another reason, a reason that I didn't see. So whenever price create an impulse and then a correction, then impulse, this can be another ascending structure, then which have 1 2 then another top. See, which is 1 2. So if I can combine these two there, and then try to convert there to the header 1 2 3 there, and then just waiting for price to break down, then enter the trade. But then I closed a winning trade, and then I open a losing trade. See, and that's forex, part. There's nothing that they can do. That's forex. That's forex. But then on this one, guys, I think maybe I did things quite right, because the market was playing around between my stop loss and the end. You see, I was on profits, I was on losses, profits, losses. So as you can see, I think my stop loss was above this thing before, and then price went up, and then I used the half risk method, where if maybe I put my stop loss to half of the risk, and then the market went up and then came back, and then see. So on this one, yeah, I think maybe it was a good loss. I think on this one, I did the trade management very well, guys. So yeah, on this one, I did the trade management very well. And then let's go to March.